and welcome to Daily Salar Digital. You're watching the news print and let's look at the news that made the headlines today. Following a hiatus of more than 2 months due to the Israel-Hamas war, a district court in Jerusalem will resume the corruption case against Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu on Tuesday. In the Bezek-Wala bribery case, Netanyahu allegedly took regulatory actions benefiting Bezek Telecommunications in exchange for favorable media coverage on the Wala website, formerly owned by Bezek. In June, the 3 judges recommended that the prosecution withdraw the bribery charge. However, the prosecution chose to proceed with the trial as planned. The court resumed hearing testimonies of the individuals involved. The last hearing on the case was held on September 20. The data compiled by think tank PRS Legislative Research indicates that in the assemblies of Chhattisgarh, Telangana and Madhya Pradesh, the representation of women MLAs falls significantly below the 1/3 mark mandated by the recently passed Women's Reservation Bill in Parliament. Although there is a slight increase in the number of women MLAs in 3 states, in Rajasthan it has decreased. Among these states, Chhattisgarh leads, with 21% of its newly elected lawmakers being women. Telangana follows with 10 women MLAs, constituting 8% of the total. Rajasthan has experienced a decline in the number of women MLAs to 20, while Madhya Pradesh has 21 women MLAs. Additionally, all assemblies show a notable presence of older MLAs, with Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh and Telangana witnessing an aging trend in their respective legislative bodies. The Mizoram People's Movement got a decisive victory in Mizoram, dethroning the Mizo National Front by securing 27 out of the 40 seats in the House on Monday. Laldu Homa, the party's nominee for Chief Minister, is a former IPS officer who previously served as the security in charge for Indira Gandhi. Mizoram Chief Minister Surem Thanga met with the governor on Monday evening and submitted his resignation. The MNF secured 10 seats while the BJP and Congress obtained 2 and 1 seat respectively. As Cyclone Mizoram approaches the north coast of Tamil Nadu, Chennai grapples with severe waterlogging leading to the closure of schools, colleges and government offices. The situation intensified as Chennai airport suspended operations, cancelling flights and diverting incoming ones. Videos highlight flooded roads, submerged cars and flights grounded due to rainwater entering the airport runway. Power outages and internet disruptions add to the city's challenges. Indian Meteorological Department predicts heavy rain for the next 24 hours, with the cyclone expected to make landfall between Nellore and Machilipatnam. Southern Odisha districts remain on alert. On December 1st, 68 schools in and around Bengaluru received bomb threats through emails sent from various IDs registered with 2 service providers. The email variations include people.com and topmail.com. Preliminary police investigations reveal that the emails aimed at general school email addresses in the public domain utilized masked virtual private networks to access mail servers. Unlike previous incidents in 2022, these threats exhibit a more serious tone. A special cybercrime team is investigating the matter, filing FIRs under relevant sections of the Information Technology Act and Indian Penal Code. On World Day of Persons with Disabilities, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah announced the Karnataka government's initiative to provide motorized vehicles to 4,000 individuals with disabilities in 2023 to 24. Additionally, plans include establishing 10 residential schools for children with mental disabilities in 7 districts, costing 2 crore rupees each. The Chief Minister emphasized the state's commitment to offering equal opportunities in education and employment for the specially abled, highlighting their contributions across various fields. Karnataka has allocated 284.27 crore rupees for educational, medical rehabilitation and senior citizen welfare development for disabled persons. A state government initiative launched 3 months ago to deliver driving licenses and registration certificates directly to citizens' doorstep through India Post is encountering a major setback. Regional transport officers are reportedly refusing to cooperate, citing an alleged nexus between officials and agents as a barrier to transparency. The partnership between the Transport Department and Karnataka Postal Circle aimed to enhance transparency but has seen limited adoption, with only 40 out of 67 RTOs utilizing the speed post service. The reliance on agents for document handling poses a challenge to the initiative, impacting its intended benefits. Transport Minister R. Ramalinga Reddy notes that while all fresh DLs are sent through India Post, changes in address necessitate alternative methods. On Monday, the Kerala government sanctioned an amount of 378.57 crore rupees for the second phase of the Kochi Metro rail project. The allocated funds will be utilized for the construction of an 11.8 km pink line stretch. The Kochi Metro Rail Limited, a joint venture between the centre and the state government with a 50-50 partnership, is expected to complete and inaugurate phase 2 in 2028. On Monday, Spotify, the leading music streaming platform, said that it will lay off approximately 1,500 employees, constituting 17% of its total headcount. This move is aimed at cutting costs following previous layoffs of 600 staff in January and an additional 200 in June. In a letter addressed to the employees, Spotify CEO Daniel Ek explained that the company had expanded its workforce in 2020 and 2021, taking advantage of lower capital costs. While the company's output had indeed increased during this period, a significant portion of it was attributed to the availability of more resources. This decision comes after Spotify's recent announcement of its first profitable quarter in 2 years, reporting an operating profit of 32 million euros. At the IBA Junior World Boxing Championships in Armenia, Indian boxers Hardik Panwar, Amisha Kereta and Prachi Tokas won silver medals following their defeats in their respective finals. On December 4th, 9 Indian boxers Payal, Nisha, Vinny, Shrishti, Akansha, Megha, Jatin, Sahil and Hemant will fight for gold medals. India has already won a total of 17 medals, including 5 bronze in the ongoing tournament. That's the news for today. Like, comment and subscribe to Daily Salar Digital for more such updates.